duat tiger wa hago twain duat juri mina kunak chwil chuk bai le lo man yan kai le jel julen byong nam dang chuk bai le lo man yan kai le jel julen byong nam dang chuk jur tam kaya dong ko le hago twain duat rindi di jona che ko wai Korea me che penawel kay ni na meri tarilwa na cheri bai na na ibanduri jang maler karabir sodia kabya jang majar karabir ran kabya wa tarawi na kibatum majar na waran kandam bai na tiden kadam yal kutamral dam yal kutamral Paleda jawud wil turabi jawum nyanyi cham nyany piyay de habigo Paleda piyay de habigo turabi piyay de habidal waya ye tari chatera daken morate
kuna na yini yobo lai kuni biya ka jon jirwa kya bi batagi kujawo mani ena tiye wogi ina non ni biya ka kul bi wakal angat kuna bi waka ko ni lemdu nyai lem ne je tani wayi ku gamu watu yumdu kuriyalu ni kul bi wakal kunti sa bi waktu ka yina tiye ku dorin ga yiri ku kurso lai ni da amin
wapandan je ben ko jeng da fadang ku ko ci we goyer ben we ci ka lor kwani an lur ci we lor ku lur chagro lor ke cha we beli ma biak ba ka chen bio ngi no bio ko chen bio gon ko kai le ma wa den ka dun ku ka kida kaman ko ci ben kaman te ke ja pai kaman ayi na luang ke wi gan tok rioj kaman reli ja pai Oyin, ni ci bene ko ke ngolo rot adiran ben ben lek yo ko ran ko organizing committee, please if you are around march forward to present the event to the audience.
Chief guest, distinct guest, bank on communities, bank on dia kaban to guerte na ko le wakta modern ko bandi yang ci piom yara la dira ke cian ko kan ko ting acha ka ting ko le gwer ko le wo gwer ten chan wong mi piot e ke ci mit ko ni para bul wal mis ko ni school ke ci lo ya ci ngi cham tamam kene bi wo ten chan bu ben pio ben miet ko bu le ke gale ke di cham loy chan bu pio da miet ko bu kwe di lo twen bi ga ko ni bi de ni chan chi ko ploy chi mi ko ke karang chi mi ra lo ke se lo banden so a pet bo mi kwen chan bi jan ni kwe ra ji ko bi ben ni kwe pe di the second thing ke culture te bu ben cheng dan ban cheng bu ben ngot mi kujen chilmen ade mi di ke East Africa big banting kwe piet wane ko pan jing pi chana chira ne luela galien ti chenben un dangpei ke number de pandin yen ma de ti jan we ke ben chana chira ne luel galen galake mun Uganda aliu ade luel ke mun junubi ko ku junubi e ke mo chana ne pandin kwen ni ne wo pada ka cho gwe de na ko we ta le ya pe e ke cho ben ko ne ya be wo ti
wo ci ke lor ben ko lur ci we lor ko banga pada yo ram Fiji ruwen abiei wena ngonga den kwal ngong de jok won ke ti pade ke wilayat ken ke dia ko ke ngwan abiei wena northern Afanail central Afanail kuja yana ruwen ko abiei independent area wechi ke lorban ko ke padang ko lo yai panyar inchagaren kun ping kichiren ko ping iran to central Afanail kito north kito ruwen kito biai niar bagro jot ku pam gichina pa yi chogalla ka matina chen ka tine kude de ban balo ale dom be nya balo kana bedial dom ping ko ban thaw chok ben jodo nyal o program da bogjo Yar ke padang ben panggi chimke ke de yang je ke nang ro wanja ke gwang ni jete na keneran ya kram buir ke yen chairperson wona ne man tie ke digital ballo e ko je chila chat ju bawana ke lela come tomorrow chi yok to kwan e yen pa e chan bigger kaman ne ko le big buy e ke chat ke chok kwa tie ke speaker de ku jela akuma de ben e yen ran when you walk ya chip je chola tie ke japai rana enga one mother rana chol Daniel wo ri chon amida pa ne ko chili kana o go bujajo the portrait ran kana baben ke nyan kai da ku ke nyan tin je porial kwa de ke tin nen je lel ka bale ko ka pada e kol chi de kole ko menrel pe ko menran tie ke pe menran chol male le malwal ku ke menda na padang ko menda na pe kalu le de ki chitak ku ko buj billa ko kana long do nyan kai ayan mele malwal njuk chola pe just come forward present your poem
in title I speak for the bush. When my friend sees me, he swells and pants like a frog. Because I talk the wisdom of the bush, he says, we from the bush do not understand civilized ways. For we tell our women to keep the hem of their dresses below the knees. We from the bush, my friend insists, do not know how to enjoy. When we come to the civilized city, like nuns, we stay away from nightclubs, where women belong to no men and men belong to no women. And these civilized people quarrel and fight like hungry lions. But my friend, why do men with crippled legs, lifeless eyes, wooden legs, empty stomachs, wander about the streets of this civilized world? Teach me, my friend, the trick, so that my eyes may not see those whose houses have no walls, but emptiness all around. Show me the wax you use to seal your ears, to stop hearing the cry of the hunger. Teach me the new wisdom, which tells men to talk about money, not love, when they meet women. Tell your God to convert me to the faith of the indifferent, the faith of those who will never listen until they are shaken with blows. I speak for the bush, you speak for the civilized. Will you hear me? Thank you.
Ranwani Secretary Education, please come forward. The Chanbak program though, Obena present as well.
let me begin by recognizing the guests of honor, chief guests, the chairman of Padang community, the representatives from the South Sudanese Embassy, the community leaders, both the community leaders of Padang and the one from other parts of South Sudan. Let me also recognize my fellow academic strugglers, the students who are present today. I'm very grateful for being given this opportunity to stand before you on this joyous day. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share with you things concerning education. I would like to share with you things concerning education. Ladies and gentlemen, what is education first of all? I know some of you here, you will mix education with schooling. You tend to confuse the two. But those two are totally different, as you may agree with me. First and foremost, education is a process that you need to follow state by state, right from your childhood. I think there you may agree with me. But schooling, you can just go to school, walk to school every morning, comes back. That is schooling. But there, you're not gaining any education there. Because if you're that person that goes, comes back, there is no education there. That's why I say that two different words. So, my fellow students, our mothers, when you are educated, when you have those three, respect, wisdom, and being informed, it means you are one of the weapons that can be used to change this world, as described by the former president of South Africa, Nelson Rolihlahla Madiba Mandela. He said that the only weapon that can be used to change this world is through education. So, let us not neglect education, because it is the only thing that can change this world. Lastly, to my fellow students, education is a passport. You all know passport. It is a passport to future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Do not neglect it. Focus on it. I know it is a quite bitter. I mean, it's true they are bitter, but to assure you, the fruits that will come after, they will be very sweet and cover the bitter one. To my fellow candidates, those who are going to represent the Padang community in October and November, success in your exams. And just know God will be with you. You are just destined for success. Thank you very much. We have some things to present to our students, the one that completed last year. And also, okay, maybe we shall give to the community leaders, the secretaries of education from different communities. So, at this opportunity, let me invite the chairman of the Padang community, who will invite the guests to present the certificates to the leaders.
I'm just going to call the guests of honor to present certificates for the people. Quite no occasion they call. So, Mr. Engineer, guest of honor, awarded with the Madam, Chakalorban, for the presentation of certificates.
Let me begin by calling the Ram Community Ministry of Education. Benjamin Mama Cecilia is here greeting the guests of honors. Benny PG Paulino Mateo. Ngong Lwaliyak community, the representative. Please, you may come. The chair, Wadang James. The Ruwen community, Malo Piok. So, ladies and gentlemen, people are wondering why there are 4, but we would like to apologize because the certificates of a community were not made in time because the names came late. So we apologize, but we shall make sure we finish them, we present them to the community leader. Thank you very much.
One mark. Ben jala golan kula ko chede ke chod wai kula ko tem ko kong to ke run wan chlo ku ko ngod ki gara ki pol pa mu kang ben pa wan mas gana we backing pa we back pa me chena pe kwena be ka won ta kwen met. I speak for the bush akwa je bujo ke yen bush di ka taw tin aja ko jena ben ja ben ngi ware ayen wan mas dieng the ring adol a ben twen ke musishar ko advisor in this grang awi ba pa mi chena pa ko padang yen na be ko won kwen met na ben ware
Marwa jalaw shabab ga chamo manon ci lu la ni chodi en ri ga do na biye en na padang ana bijam kankaro to ke kon ci met kwen I speak for the bush ani jam road ani jam road to mo jam literally if it is translated ijam antene chiang any English or morality moral chiang ko changadi when ko won English ko won ke cheping ngadi chimet kwane morality e bari ak chiko ban Madina fi mudun town on chiko la Madina ban chiang area ade ko won la club kagala de gama ade ko won chang mono lele we tell a woman to keep the hem of their dresses above the knee. So in everything we do kono gloiban chiang da mo jang na chukpal choban na e ku education no kwancho lagin chiang da mo jang e kula kale ruten ko chiang mo jang a china isolation chiang mo jang ogi mat ogi nim jam lagin chiang Madina kwaje ko rot isolate ini rero machagul du to okay e ko ke myol e ko chamdrat ko ka je ba e ro yok chiang Madina en chiang da mo jang kwan guchop ko ro bio yi to mo jang e iberi al gamanda welcome to school please read gorubi one more education man ni cha dal when bulo e did you ni man ke education in fact I would have called it the education day. That is my own honest opinion that I would have given this function. We need to thank God in all that we do. For it says in Philippians chapter 4 verse 4, rejoice in the Lord, and always I say rejoice in the Lord.
Right now we are going for musical interlude.
che wen ding na lo ran yin ma ga ke ya che wen ding tik ding chok dang de nan kwa ne ke wen no ke de ga jul chan mi nyel de pin wa ti nyel ge atan re ba luang mi jong cham do mal atung jong mi nyil wen ge tung jong ti we de kwal myo di mi nyil wen du nyan kai de pa le gi mi nyil wen ge win twain ko ko myol ko bi kwal dog win ke be bin ni we di bulun the way la nine yal jing dia bulun the wing che de bulun du ke you will do the way where die chong lo wan lo chu gul ting nai nyu ke dia che mon de kwa tweet du ja mol din dia che long an che bu wing ka be pyo min ni wing ai chwil wing di ka ben yo ba nwe du ya wang nyang em yo nwe nya la nge kwa chu jam u de u mong de ke long ya bulun du chu mo mo long e long te yor polo wa minyali nyan buldu wala ni jayi man nyan wuire kilo nya ke roma angenge chena nyan lwal gum ro ko ton ko mo pion ti tu pale kunchwe la ni jayi mong dun jong minyil weng e tung jong we du kwal myo di minyil weng du nyan kai de pa le gi minyil weng e win twen ti go myol ko bi kwal dog kan win chwe be bin we di bulun the we la na nyum ya la jing de bulun the weng che de bulun de lo ke you will do the way where die chong lo wan lo chu go ting nai nyu ke de che mo ne kwe dwi ja mol din dia che long an che gu wen ka be pyo min ni wen a chwil wen ni ka ben yo ba nywe dung ya wang yang em yo nywe nya la nge kwa chi jam gu je u gu mong de ke long ya lung tu ju mo mo tong e long te de yor pol wa min ni nyan bul du wala ni ja yi man nyan ne wo ire che lo nya ke ro ma nge che na nya lo dung ro ko ton ko mo pion ti tu pale buin chwe len jai mong dun Go gai men no ni jwen gai de wal pai tin wen jang la to ge jang ne ngan na tin dia na ki kar ni jang i bi jang ping jong no du ko jang lo an ti chwe we ko de lo ngan an ken di gon ti jang ne jang la bu lo an ti bi jong wa jang lo dang di ke je ne jing cha ga tu mi ki bai to ku jang wo wan ko le do je ma kwa pa chin ran dang jing a ti cha ri ra cha lu wen ka be yi chul chung gi nya ti ko ke jo ti ter no den wo gen yo ti ba luang yo
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ quang rèn cầm ai thô vô u là bờ đeo thô rim cái đi ra đeo ya bờ đeo qua cái chặt cái bé qua cái nôm đa quan tin chó bờ đeo chỉ thưa đập vai nôm cái đó ya đà ra bờ loang cả ra du du như nhà nào quên du ông đà đi bùa leo ai lo ya cái đi lên đây phải đi kamu ni wako na nje kapanda ko no Kenya ko yeye kanda ayi kanda ni
Now, young guy, my people are telling you all that them to it. Now, you can't see from the young long go to you, you back home to the key. Now, clean up what you want to know it. Now, clean up what you want to know when I clean up my child, who got you get right away. The one that would have chicken, one child. Okay, but Savannah, Papa, and I'm going to get the one that be land on Gora, but I'm going to go on Gora, but don't want. But don't want to eat the actual dog, man. You wouldn't make none on the critical. Why the cool?
ko chen dir bela na ko dir kala on the ground ti o dir pa bu pon miet bad men kene o ya bu dir ten ba ya ko chok chan ke chol oil to pin na ji ba ra ji ko chen ba ground ti ya ko ben chen dio ko porzin ko mo ba na ti ya ko ben so ko bu dir ten ko bu tem ten kene chen le we ga la ka we ga to ko ben le we chan the whole ground is poison piwa kriya midai ke dia ke kriya biar acha ta bani ni kin piyo ke dek ke kana gur unity padang ke to ke turban bawi mat ku jam ka baga lui tong ko ya kuma baga le ke kan wa ko ji kan dia Junub Sudan ku pindan kina ji buriya aya ka loy ke wega ka loy ku no wo ke ta sai baga reference land ke ne ki ka ba gwe can move without community we cannot live koi kwa chria queen ban guest of honor akolken ayej balagin ba koi ke o inong chin katinyan so dinam katinyo de guri ki loy kang ke kai ke rienti ku be ken belwe la che ba ka support bi o di guns ba de ba ka kon chan bi ga jam bu ka ya pingret so the head of the SPLM is here today, and I'm going to speak in English, and you will hear it in your own language. Mr. Chairperson of the SPLM chapter, my address is going to you. I would like to tell you that our communities down there have been destroyed by this drilling of oil on the ground. If you go today, the whole land is destroyed and it has become barren. You cannot produce anything on that ground. The women have been affected to a greater extent. The children, when you see the children being born, they are deformed. You will never recognize somebody who is born to be a human being. The communities who are here today, I would like all of them to unite behind this youth of our Padang community to work in order to address those issues and bring those issues to leadership of South Sudan. No community is an enemy to the government, but the government should treat communities well in order to survive. I was laughing before when this gentleman, our leader from ABA, was saying that when people say Padang Weye, the people can respond a lot and they will be happy. When they say SPLM Weye, the house is like there is nobody there. And you have to ask the question, has the SPLM lost the relevancy? So, to sum it up, I know we have consumed a lot of time. That is our law. We come late and we need to leave earlier. That is the general law. So I would like to say I have been privileged. And I keep me at the pay way marquat. We got your boy. Kuki Balaka Jabia Doka was there. Where the Jabia, where the Padang, like Kitake Habalo, Theatre, Rabapi. And the Billaranto can bring change. You need to give a level change by Kuba the Rincoin. Who can be a Kamuga Bimaku can look upon there? I can use the love, a big lock, a gala, quite the love, a cheralo. What I'm here. We call Padang, Pindanti, I can look for book one way, Pinra, a book will get quite a Puma, Wabia Jam, take a Buga got a big deal, pink cave, go out a lady of a nearly put up away.
Pam kitchen jewel the nominate. In Jubilee, a pay lawyer. Oxy Damandaka pay. Qua Chan Bukarang Daitem, when an Yarko be there and Ranun and Japadang, Chola Union a bunch, where you back ping roll, Kuya and Chan Ben, your Chola there and then Loy Chok. Unkaranga Bell, Luira and Tatuing. A yen ran Loy Chokan up a job, and Winter Limit did like a did a 20 pay Loy Chin Chaki, Mid and Chinin. Quite a bit, Juma in Kikoi Bay.
Before Kinala doing a quite a big way more about a child. Padang Waye. I didn't even tell you and Padang Waye. And I could connect in Gamka. Guest of honor waye. Chief guest waye. Ruwe waye. Abia waye. Ram waye. Ngomol wali waye. Koi cultures chulu perform 10. Waga chaglu appreciate ape kedi chagloi. Bor cultural group. Waga chukule jape rin ke Padang korin ke bor. Chalme liwek 10. Waga chagale. Mit kuan pana bun wal mit kuan school. Chagaloi barnabe dene kole. Shukran bitakum kechewe kedi chagloi chan. Bang future dun loy build. Apiat bukalo kladi buk namala jore kladi ache sharar beska bukalo jor. Apiat buku build la thabi schooling ku buka buk loy ke loy. Guest of honor rere wo Kampala kigana. Ke near the committee to wogi ku jam ni jo ku bay. Activities chitkana en wok mi da kai ko. Kwon chamar en woka ben ngi kwen woke ben bay community. For example, ade koy kwon ci miralo ke sen baden ga ke nyigi yo ke gem yen gem ko bi twen dem to so ko chol ko bi ke twen male ci jampe I will take this golden opportunity to tell you my name. Yana Jordan Peter Cholde, Yana Vice President ta Padang. Padang oye. Guest of honor oye. Guest of honor oye. We chaka ping rolle wanchi. Guest of honor oye. I will take this golden opportunity to welcome my senior officer, at the same time my comrade, chairman ta Padang community, Balo Riang Cholede. You're welcome, Mr. Chairperson.
Carol Yom and Donald. Get a call. Now, my to Juba, they do I don't know.
That's your guy and I check your walkie.
Okay, take a leg. We'll mark your audience. Yes, I wanna engineer Daniel Ochuang, chief guest, my brother Ustaz Yak Longden, Tony Komanyike, a representative of South Sudanese Embassy, but at the same time, chairperson of SPLM chapter, Mama Arab James, Abuna, Molana, Ujalako Chen, and she I'll not reach that extent. Zamanelio, table with our mothers, heads of communities, politic jal checking. And then the empty seats checking more than now they're running around there, got a more there. Yan we're chopping in one and John Balo Ria, Jolene, Chairperson Padang, and she would have a pay, like it quite. Phải báo con đông đi mà lấy em coi when Illinois organization which head by Ran in charge of culture coi caro cái có một culture score Jiman Deng Mading Ujala the entire organizing committee will check lay the bed Ujala coi chỉ bên em cola Bendun, Ekapetabai, Chang Nyot, non work with Konya Padangaret. And it's one of our responsibilities to love our community. Natural community of Janyar, Kacharan, who the community, the war weapon. Ketong bak luet, dang ba luet kaman ke ba mati. Man da wok kawaya Padang. End up with all the problems of work and the Kenya. Achen we have problems in our states. One of the problems, oil chemicals, residues from the drilling of oil. Problem. The chemicals, they have a lot of problems with the young, with the pregnant women. In that kind of toxic environment, your genetics, genes are corrupted, and if your genes are corrupted, there's one problem: you retarded growth. Me the chicken by the dealer, you get 15 years, they can chicken around, less than 10. A quarter by, like in those gases. And this kind of problem, don't look at the government. First, do it yourself. Try to save your community, and then later the government itself, the SPLM itself, will give you a hand in coin. You first save yourself, and then later the government will come and support and try to save you. Like in our Dore, Dore Palpin, Kuleki, Abakumating, Lana Janda Ogana meet. Abu Joe meet it, and Kujagala was it. A Chayan and Chivela take by Anthony, you know. Amoro Jokonya and the like an alibi, Campur and Mumbala you buy, actually affected by the chemicals. So walk Mashakal to a walkman, a chill and Uncle is up, a walk up. Kuadam to Logan Gum, non Doromat, who problems walk open, who can address, go one family go here Padang, if we can be able to address our problems. Yeah. Solutions they can we need in Chirano, they go Tingaran in the kind of thing in solution.
I'm so pleased with this young man here. He's a great leader. Congratulations to him. On behalf of Ambassador, and when I was coming, Ambassador told me to extend his regards to the community of Apadang and also to the guests of honor that accept his apology for his absentia here. The message from Ambassador is simple. He told me to tell you that Apadang people be united. It is a time of unity. The peace has come to South Sudan. Let us forget the past and engage ourselves into the present. The past is our experience and the present is our responsibility. The present, which is our responsibility, is yesterday on day 12. Our President Salva Kiir Mayardit and the opposition leader, Comrade Riek Machar, signed a peace in Addis Ababa. SPLM oye! Junubin oye! Ito Mamortail shall peace sign for Addis Ababa. You should be happy about it. Be happy about it. Ashamshunu, we have had a lot of complaints about our president and about Riek Machar. Lakin they have come up with a decision that your suffering must come to an end. And yesterday, for sure, they inked and make sure that your suffering has ended. You'll be happy about it. This is a time of peace. Forgive yourself before you forgive me. I must forgive myself before I forgive you. Now for the issue of the Apadang, Alfie Juba, I will take the report. But our chairman has put it clear. My leaders with Apadang, Inak, Fibele Inak, from Ireland, extraction with the oil legal there. Let them start from there. Let us not blame Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir doesn't look there. There is a governor there. There is a commissioner there. There is MP representing those Apadang there. He is here in the parliament, national parliament. What are they doing? Why are they not writing reports? To the extent of don't even here writing a report now. So for this case, our MPs will listen to this. I will explain it to the ambassador. As the SPLM representative here, I will put it in my report, and said that this is why the sons and daughters of Padang are not happy about. For that, I apologize on behalf of the government that please forgive them. They will look into your problem. And our guest of honor, I took note of that. I will also put it in my report tomorrow and present it to our ambassador so that Salva Kiir can listen to it and see it himself. Finally, I'm very happy with Padang. You see, you have leaders. This young man here, the way he has just spoken is attached my heart. You grew him, grew more others, but make sure that he will never push if you don't support him. Not only him, yourself. I've seen many of our cadres here, they don't come to the chapter to register with us. SPLM is already there. There is no way someone can say SPLM is not a ruling party. Maaf Terika. Ashan Shuno after Kalata Sera and now Machine Kaba. Now the SPLM you are talking about that they don't say SPLM Oye. After 8 months, the interim 8 months there, everybody will be saying SPLM Oye. In school fees Bitaku. Salva Kiir al-Buguluba bita for school fees there. Masama can be zaman analyst of high school. Don't knows it. Can milliard can be for Uganda here nationally the fall the year saki. It is only when problems started in 2013 Salva could not raise his hand. But now since peace has come, most of you will be paid. I promise you. There is a plan already. Kaluzol Baka Washington Gal SPLM has failed. Of course, here Dola lead to Shakila. Progress Mafi. Lo Shakila Sibu, there's progress. The same party, the same SPLM abandoned in 1983, which brought for you your country. It is the same party which is split into two. But now they have come back again, though others are going to form their parties. So Yakwana, we don't want hate speech. Last my city of Tani. This one has ended, and peace is now on the table. Last Panda, I love you so much, and we shall work together. For the community of Panda, please, we meet my finance secretary, Comrade Machit. I don't know where he is. If he has gone, he will give for you some 500,000. We jump according to our power. Shall community Davika Ketir, Bukura, I'm going to be somewhere. It will also require me to give something. So I'll so Shilu, worship of Pakomoya. Rabbi Good Marco, God bless you.
Non woman of Bienam. Okay, check up away. You got that. Kalda needed a jalapa. Can I? Yen more than a padam. Who keep thong kai kok pay. A jello and walk when mat. Carry amaranto. And get your tear away. And a yo deep. Who you are named a kudiri yengi. There are Goyen, who over in a kudiri yengi. In terms of population. Actually, when we'll get a chicken with you, because I chick the eye. Mid Shiwir, Ilakobu. Renungo, Rianga, Sherianda, Rianga Bubanyo. Nerianga Yoko, Kadeka Gani and Karat, Chill. Mier Piodi, Chandum Pio. Kibaton. Ke unity Bidako, Padam. Pantier Guru went to Will. Ke Padam. Padam there. Ke Tier Gudiak, the man Kaito, as you don't wait. Pamud, Morke Cheka Padam, Morke Louis Padam, Morke John Padam. A Keka can we, Kekabella Yoking, Gekabello. We work by a Kirel or Kirel Pay. Kabalo, Kemangai engineer, or Daniel Lichuan, and a band, a chat Bicarian can be it, Bicabella.
Thank you. padang dom to arang le gud jeng dagir gud nyele gud dong jol kubanye le lwen le gud pa wing natar dom to ga panaru e da lor ku e kwar gud jol padang ay le